Welcome to the CFA Level 1 Practice Test 1. Domain, Fixed Income. Part 7. Which of the following is least likely a characteristic of a well-functioning secondary market for fixed income securities? A. Effective price discovery. B. High levels of liquidity. C. Significant delays in trade settlement. D. Not applicable. Answer is C. Significant delays in trade settlement. In comparing risks, which statement is most accurate about callable bonds versus lease-backed securities? A. Callable bond exposed to credit migration risk, lease-backed to yield curve risk. B. Callable bond exposed to reinvestment risk, lease-backed to residual value risk. C. Callable bond exposed to extension risk, lease-backed to interest rate volatility. D. Not applicable. Answer is B. A callable bond exposes reinvestment risk due to call options. Lease-backed securities have residual value risk tied to leased assets. What is a core assumption of the time value of money used in fixed income valuation? A. Investors require compensation for deferring consumption. B. Coupon payments always reinvested at bonds yield to maturity. C. Issuer's credit quality remains unchanged over bond's life. D. Not applicable. Answer is A. Investors prefer current consumption, so compensation is needed to defer consumption, the basis of TVM. Which bond minimizes reinvestment risk while mindful of credit risk, fully amortizing or bullet bond? A. Bond Y, bullet, with principal at maturity, limits reinvestment risk. B. Both are equally suitable due to identical credit ratings. C. Bond X, amortizing, lowers credit risk by periodic repayments. D. Not applicable. Answer is A. Bullet bonds limit reinvestment risk by delaying principal repayment. Amortizing bonds increase reinvestment risk. What key difference exists between yields of corporate bonds and 90-day commercial paper? A. Bonds use simple interest. Commercial paper yields annualized with compounding. B. Bond YTM uses unique pricing. Commercial paper uses standard TVM analysis. C. Bond YTM assumes common periodicity. Commercial paper's rate varies by maturity. D. Not applicable. Answer is C. Bond yields assume a common periodicity. Commercial paper yields annualized with specific periodicity per maturity. Which bond would likely experience the smallest price drop if rates rise 50 basis points? A. 10-year bond with 2% coupon. B. 5-year bond with 6% coupon. C. 10-year zero coupon bond. D. Not applicable. Answer is B. A higher coupon and shorter maturity reduce price sensitivity. 5-year, 6% coupon bond is least impacted. Which ratio best shows an issuer's ability to cover debt service from operational earnings? A. Leverage ratios. B. Coverage ratios. C. Profitability ratios. D. Not applicable. Answer is B. Coverage ratios directly measure earnings available to cover interest expenses, key for credit analysis. Which bond feature compensates investors if issuers' financial health deteriorates? A. Predetermined step-up coupon at specified dates. B. Credit spread adjustment increasing coupon if leverage rises. C. Payment in kind, PIK, allowing interest deferral. D. Not applicable. Answer is B. Credit spread adjustment increases coupons tied to leverage ratio thresholds, compensating for worsening credit. When does a fixed coupon bond trade at a premium? A. When coupon rate equals market discount rate. B. When coupon rate is lower than market discount rate. C. When coupon rate is higher than market discount rate. D. Not applicable. Answer is C. A bond trades at a premium if its coupon rate exceeds the market discount rate. What fundamental agency problem arises in corporate bonds relating to management's goals? A. Management reduces overall company risk. B. Management maximizes shareholder value, possibly harming bondholders. C. Management ensures timely interest and principal payments above all. D. Not applicable. Answer is B. Management seeks to maximize shareholder value, which may conflict with bondholder interests, creating agency problems. Thank you for watching. For more learning videos and tutorials, subscribe to BISP Trainings.